हेलो, आपको लगा कि शिवानी पूछेगी लेकिन पूछने के लिए मैं आया. मेरा नाम है स्मृति ईरानी एंड द मैन बिहाइंड द कैमरा इज cringing right now because he thought that I'll not speak in English. Somehow he has this capacity to be extremely irresistibly defiant when it comes to four women standing here and trying to have a conversation. And I'm not counting myself in the four women who are standing. So rapid fire, Shireen Bhan,
Yes.
please tell me, how does the quintessential red lipstick stay red throughout the day?
Just keep reapplying.
So how much of that discipline by women should be reapplied to finance?
Discipline, reapplication of anything across any sector is the key. So preparation.
So
which
one
also
hot tip for the markets when they open for women.
be astute, disciplined. Where's the mic? The mic.
Yes.
Be an astute, disciplined investor. Don't go by tips.
Okay. Palki, please tell me who's been the most cringe-worthy guest you've ever had geopolitically?
That is very tricky. No,
What did you expect a politician to ask you?
No, one of the most difficult guests I would say was Parvez Musharraf. Charming, but also tricky.
But that's like way in the past.
Yes.
Current lord?
All
She's
good
doing
guests.
what we try to do.
I think I bring out the best in people.
But who brings out the worst in you?
Should I?
See, that's how you have a tongue-tied journalist. Now, coming to the Soumya Maharani of Sing Song and all things which are culturally very nice. आप मुझे ये बताइए कि आपने जिंदगी को भी हेलो किया, नेटवर्क को भी हेलो किया, आजकल किसको हेलो कर रहे हैं?
बहुत महीनों से आपको हेलो करने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ, लेकिन आप मुझे सबको हेलो करके मुझे बाय बाय कर दे रही हैं।
हाँ, क्योंकि इन दोनों से मुखातिब होना आसान है, तोप के सामने खड़े होने की मेरी बहुत प्रैक्टिस है। सौम्य चीजों से मुखातिब होना बड़ा मुश्किल।
मैं दोपहर से सिर्फ आपके इंतजार में बैठी हूँ। मेरा सेशन दोपहर में हो
ये
चुका है।
एक्चुअली छक्का है,
जाऊंगी।
बिल्कुल out of the park.
Out of the park.
But Shivani, tell me how overwhelming it is to interview
just-
legends like Shireen Bhan,
Yes.
then stand next to the
I
elegant
am
Palki
really- yes.
and the very, very vivacious Richa.
Ma'am, you made me do this. I am already really very intimidated right now. So you do not have to ask me any question. I'm
But
very
tell me,
open.
who's been the best guest this day?
Today.
You have been
इसका मतलब मैंने आपके आज इंचार्ज जर्नलिस्ट के सामने ये प्रूव कर दिया है कि मैं सास बहू भी अच्छा कर लेती हूँ, पॉलिटिक्स भी अच्छा कर लेती हूँ और थोड़ी बहुत जर्नलिज्म भी.
Absolutely.
That's how you make 4 people compliment you free में.
She Shakti.
That is She Shakti. So honestly tell me, what does it mean for you?
She Shakti. It means the power of choice. To do what you want to do, to live how you want to live.
For you, Richa?
Power to be myself.
You, Shivani?
The power that I derive from women around me.
And Shireen?
Negotiate life on your own terms.
So, for me, this is Shakti. Women who can build without limits, who build without apology. Women who are unapologetically just themselves. All versions of them, that's Shakti.